In this demonstration, we will be deploying a Ethereum security token in the blockchain using the DigiShares platform. DigiShares platform provides a single platform where issuers can manage their security tokens, investors, and their shares in the blockchain. Recently, we also developed a token studio that any non-technical issuers can use to deploy a security token with just few mouse clicks. And in this demonstration, we will be only focusing on this interface of this platform. We have developed and programmed our own security tokens using ERC1404 token, ERC1404 protocol. For more information about ERC1404 security token, please go on their website ERC1404.org. As you can see that I have opened the website, and on the opening website it says that it's an open source standard for the security tokens. ERC1404 token is one of the protocols that the industry has developed, and any issuers can program their own security tokens using their interfaces. We at DigiShares, we have programmed this security token into our platform and fully connected our platform with this security token. Also, we have, as I said, that we have also developed a token studio that any non-technical issuers can use to deploy this token into the blockchain. So in this demonstration, I will be demoing how to make this deployment in the Ethereum blockchain. This is a test deployment, and we will be making a deployment in the Coin test network. So let's log in into the platform using the admin panel. So as soon as log in into the platform admin panel, the opening screen shows some of the basic information about the platform. Like in this platform, you can manage multiple companies and their security tokens into the blockchain. So let's go into the projects list. And on the top, we have two links that goes to different token studio. In this platform, we have developed this platform and connected this platform with Ethereum blockchain as well as the Ravencoin blockchain. In this demonstration, we will be making a security token deployment using the Ethereum token studio in the Ethereum blockchain. So click on this link. As I said, that the platform is connected with the testnet, and the testnet we are using is the Coin test network. And as you can see that the platform has fetched some basic information about the testnet, the Coin testnet from the blockchain. It says that the current gas price is about 3 GWI, and the deployment cost is this much Ether, and this is the gas limit that is currently on the Coin test network. When we make this deployment for the clients and connect it with the mainnet, usually this information is a little bit different. Recently, some of our clients has made a deployment using this platform, and the Ether gas price they have given is around 0.1 Ether, which is equivalent to $600 to $700, depending on the current gas price in the mainnet blockchain. So before making a deployment of the token into the blockchain, just make sure that your Ethereum wallet is all set and already connected with the blockchain. I'm going to log in my Ethereum wallet. And as you can see that my Ethereum wallet is connected with the Coin test network, and I have some Ether into my account. As I said that when you are making a deployment in the mainnet, you may require at least 0.3 Ether into your Ethereum wallet before making a deployment to the Ethereum blockchain. But because we are making to the testnet, so that's why that much Ether is required to make the deployment of this security token in the blockchain. All right, so my wallet is connected with the blockchain, and I have sufficient Ethers into my account, and my Ethereum wallet is also connected with the Coven test network. Usually when we make a deployment of this token in the test mode, we connect with the Coven test network, but we can also make deployment into other test network if you require. But for the production, the platform has to connect with the main network. All right, so let's go ahead and make the deployment of this token using this token studio. As you can see that the first information you have to enter is the account through which this token will be made, through which the deployment will be made to the blockchain. And this is the account that will be assigned, that will be considered as a company account, and the initial tokens that will be minted will be given to this particular account. So I will be using the same account that I will be using to make the deployment. So I copy my account information, account address from the MetaMask, paste it over in this field, and I click on this button to get my Ether balance. So the platform will go on the test network and get the current balance that I have into this account. As you can see that the platform has fetched the current Ether balance of the account, and this is the sufficient balance to make the deployment. So that's why the next interface opens. So in this interface, we have to enter some basic information about the token. The first main information that I need to enter will be the token name. So I will call it test token 1, and you can enter any descriptive name for your token name, and this is the token name that will be used in the Ethereum blockchain to name your token in the blockchain. So I use the same name for my symbol, and then I enter the initial supply. So when the token is deployed to the blockchain, some tokens will be minted, and the tokens will be transferred to this company account. So for this deployment, I'm going to enter 100,000 token as an initial supply. Later on, once the token has been deployed into the blockchain, you can still mint or burn the tokens using the same interface in the DigiShares platform. All right, so the next information is either you want to restrict the number of investors that can hold the token into this token that will be deployed to the Ethereum blockchain. You can limit that, for example, only 1,000 investors can be issued the token. So when this number has been reached into the blockchain, no more tokens can be transferred to new investors. For this deployment, I will keep it open. So any number of so there is no limit on the number of tokens, number of investors that token can be transferred. The next information is token divisible. It means that do you want your single token in the blockchain to be divisible or not? Means that the single token can be divided into fraction, for example, 0.5, 0.4, or any fraction that you or the investors can use to transfer those tokens to your recipient. For this deployment, I will be using the token divisible, which means that I can divide a single token into the fraction numbers. The second information, the other information is the security, is a share certificate link. This link can be burned with the token. This information is optional, so you can enter this information with the while making the deployment to the blockchain, or you can enter this information at some later stage using the DigiShares platform. So the three information that you can enter is share certificate link, company homepage link, and company legal document link. So the benefit is that, these links or this information can be embedded into the blockchain, and this can be used as a legal binding with the platform. For this particular deployment, we are not going to enter any of this information. The next piece of information is for this particular platform. We have to select which company this token will be connected with. DigiShares is a multi-STO or multi-platform, a multi-project platform, which means that you can create multiple projects into the same platform, into the same deployment, and each company can have multiple shares or share classes or share tokens deployed into the blockchain. So for this particular deployment, we will be using the testing tool, one of the company, and I enter some title for this token. You can enter any title, and this information will only be used within this platform. And then I enter the nominal value per share. And in the last, so once all this information has been entered, in the last I have to connect the platform with my MetaMask. So I click on the MetaMask, and the MetaMask connects with the platform connects with the MetaMask, and it detects that my current account is this one. All right, so all the information is set. All we have to do is now click on the start deployment in the blockchain. So I click on this button, and as soon as I click this button, the platform will create a transaction and prepare it for the MetaMask. And as you can see that the MetaMask interface opens, and it asks for the confirmation. The MetaMask checks that how much Ether or the gas prices will be used, and as we have sufficient Ether balance into our MetaMask account, so the platform is so the MetaMask is ready to make the deployment. So I just click on the confirm button. So as soon as I click on the confirm button, the platform will come back on the shares listing page, and on the top the platform is saying that the token is being deployed into the blockchain. It may take few minutes depending on the load on the network. So on the background, the token is being deployed on the blockchain. So as you can see that I have got the confirmation from the MetaMask that the transaction has gone and the token has been deployed. So let's see if I refresh this interface again, and you can see that the interface or the platform is also connected with the security token into the blockchain. So what happens is that using the token studio, as you can see that entering some information, connecting with the MetaMask, we just make a deployment of our security token into the blockchain, and DigiShares platform automatically connects with the blockchain and connected our platform with the token into the blockchain. So if I click on the view details within this platform, the platform will fetch some information from the blockchain and get it displayed over here. Some of the important information is the total number of shares that has been deployed, and all of these shares belong to the company account, and these number of shares are available within the platform to be transferred to the investors. You can also see that the ERC20 decimal is 18, which means that this token can be divisible to 18 decimal places. The nominal and the premium value, which is only used within this platform. And the next piece of information is very important. It says that the token this company account is holding all of these shares into the blockchain, and the contract address is this one. So if I take this, So the token that has been deployed into the blockchain is assigned this address into the blockchain. So if I take this address and go on the Coin network Etherscan, and on the token, so to access our token information using the Etherscan, this is the link that you will be using. We just make a deployment to the Coin test network. So I enter the coin.etherscan.io/token and then the token address. So if I enter this link, the Etherscan will get the token information from the blockchain. And as you can see that this is an independent platform. The Etherscan is an independent website that provides the information about the blockchain, the Ethereum blockchain, and you can access the information about any token that has been deployed to the blockchain. So as you can see that we have made the deployment to the Coin test network. So I just enter the Coin network with the Etherscan, and I provided the token address, and it is fetching some of the basic information from the internet. So let's wait a little bit so that the information is fetched from the internet. I think my internet connection is a little bit slow. Anyway, you can see that the Etherscan has fetched the token information from the Coin test network. You can see that the total number of tokens that has been issued into this security tokens. This is the address. This is the token name that we enter on the Token Studio interface. And currently, only one address is holding some shares into this security token, and that is the company address. This is the token address into the blockchain, and these are the decimal places, how much decimal places the token is divisible. The next piece of information is showing some transactions or transfers that has been made. So we just made a brand new security token deployment in the blockchain, and there is only one transfer that has been made to the company address. So if I click on the holders, it's going to show the current holders who are holding some shares or tokens into this security token. Again, I think my internet is a little bit slow, that's why it's fetching this information. All right, so the interface comes back, and you can see that this is the company address that is holding all the shares or all the tokens that has been minted into this security token. You can also take this address, and so this is the address that you will So this is the address that which is the address of the token or the security token into the blockchain, and this is the address you will be providing to your investors or the shareholders, and they will set up their own Ethereum wallets using this address. And once they receive any tokens from the company, their wallet will be showing their balances into their own Ethereum or any other blockchain wallets. So I'm going to take this address, the token address, open the Ethereum wallet. As you can see that I have already selected my company account. I will go at the end and click on the import tokens, enter the token address, and you can see that the MetaMask has fetched the token symbol from the blockchain, and it is also showing that the token decimals or the decimal points the token is divisible to. And if I click on add custom token and import tokens, so you can see that the MetaMask is showing that how many token or balance this particular account is holding into the blockchain. So this is the company account, and you can see that the token has been added into our MetaMask, and it is showing the balance of the tokens this address is holding into the blockchain. So coming back into our DigiShares platform, so as you can see that the same information is being shown into the platform. The platform is now fully connected with the platform, with the token into the blockchain, and now issuers can use this token to transfer these tokens or shares to their investors. Thank you very much.